Hey visionaries! Are you looking to protect your peepers? Whether you're glued to screens, worrying about your children's eye health, or seeking wisdom for aging eyes, we've got you covered. Stay tuned for 21 eye-opening tips on safeguarding your vision for all ages. Trust me, you don't want to miss this iconic guide. If you're tuning in for the first time, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you won't miss out on our life-changing hacks. Let's now embark on a journey to protect our windows to the world. Welcome back to the Fragrant Life Channel, where we dive deep into the wonders of health and well-being. Today, we're diving into the universe of eye health with 21 golden eye health tips for all ages. Whether you're 5 or 95, we've got your back, or should I say, your eyes. We are going to unlock the secret to eternal vision, bringing you ageless eye health strategies that are game changers for everyone, from toddlers to our beloved seniors. Let's talk basics. Our eyes are our personal windows to the beauty around us. Keeping them healthy involves simple yet powerful habits: regular checkups, wearing sunglasses to protect against UV rays, and staying hydrated to ensure our eyes are well lubricated. Starting off with our screen-struck society, did you know the average person spends over 7 hours a day in front of a digital device? That's eye-opening. In today's digital age, screen strain is the enemy. The blue light emitted by our screens can tire our eyes and disrupt our sleep. So, what's the fix? Tip 1. The 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look away at something 20 feet away for at least 20 seconds. It's a simple hack to reduce eye strain and keep your vision sharp. Also, consider using blue light filter glasses or screen protectors. Trust me, your eyes will thank you. Now, let's zoom into the world of our little ones. Starting them early on the road to eye health is a game changer. Hey parents, tip 2 is for the little ones. Ensure your kids have their eyes checked regularly from a young age to catch any issues early on. It's crucial for their development and learning. Ensure they play outdoors, limit screen time, and eat eye-healthy foods like carrots and leafy greens. And yes, regular eye exams are a must to catch and correct any issues early on. 3. Aging gracefully includes taking care of our eyes. Here's how our seniors can continue enjoying the beauty of life. As we age, our eyes need a bit more TLC. For seniors, ensuring your living space has plenty of natural light, maintaining a diet rich in antioxidants, and using appropriate eyewear can make all the difference. Regular eye exams become even more critical to catch conditions like glaucoma or macular degeneration early on. Maintaining eye health is a lifelong journey. Let's dive into habits that benefit everyone. Tip 4. Adjust your lighting. Ensure your room is well lit to reduce glare and take the strain off your eyes. Tip 5. Use blue light filters on devices. This can lessen the amount of blue light exposure, which is known to affect sleep patterns and potentially harm your eyes. Tip 6. Healthy diet, healthy eyes. Adjust your diet. Foods rich in antioxidants can protect against eye disease. Feast your eyes on nutrients. Foods rich in vitamins C and E, zinc, lutein, and omega-3s are like superpowers for your eyes. Think green leafy vegetables, oily fish, and non-meat proteins. Carrots, leafy greens, and fish high in omega-3s are great for developing eyes. Tip 7. Encourage outdoor play. Exposure to natural light and focusing on distant objects can help prevent myopia. Tip 8. Stay hydrated. Good hydration contributes to moist eyes and reduces irritation. Tip 9. Quit smoking. Smoking significantly increases the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. Tip 10. Wear sunglasses. UV protection is vital. Choose sunglasses that block 99% to 100% of UVA and UVB rays. The power of shades, UV protection isn't just a summer fling. Wear those sunglasses all year round to shield your eyes from harmful rays that can lead to cataracts. Tip 11. Increase lighting at home. As we age, our eyes need more light to see clearly. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Tip 12. Magnify your world. Don't strain your eyes, use magnifying tools to read small prints. For our splendid seniors, embrace bigger texts. Avoid straining your eyes with tiny fonts. Use large print books and increase text sizes on devices. It's a simple change that can significantly reduce eye strain. Tip 13. Practice good hygiene. Always wash your hands before touching your eyes. Tip 14. Take eye supplements. Consider vitamins like A, C, E, and zinc. Tip 15. Use protective eyewear. Safety glasses are a must for hazardous activities. Tip 16. Learn family eye health history. Genetics play a key role in eye health. Tip 17. Blink frequently. Especially while using devices to keep your eyes moist. Use artificial tears to keep them lubricated. And stay hydrated, it's beneficial for your entire body. No matter your age, dry eyes can be a real bother, especially with increased screen time. Tip 18. Use humidifiers to keep the air in your home moist, reducing dry eyes. Tip 19. Control chronic conditions like diabetes. Tip 20. Ensure a good night's sleep. Tip 21. Adjust screen settings for comfort. There you have it, your ultimate guide to maintaining impeccable vision throughout the ages. Remember, it's the little habits that contribute to a lifetime of clear vision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing content. Until next time, see the beauty of the world through healthy eyes, because your vision is irreplaceable. Keep your eyes on the prize, your health.